Hello folks, I am doing a framing inspection on a brand new home, and I just wanted to share with you, but this is what we see a lot, and I get asked about this a lot. What are these components here on the back of the building? Well, right here are what we call snap ties. That actually is how we hold our forms together while we pour the concrete in between it, and of course we just break these all off. Common, you know, there's different systems, but that's how they're doing this system here. But look here, this is what I get asked about, is these boards running in here. Why would anybody put them boards? Wouldn't that weaken it? Well, no, it's really not weakening our concrete at all. But the reason we do is this is what we're nailing our siding or whatever type of siding material that we have. And that way you have to have something so you're not trying to go into the concrete. And that's what we do, is we literally embed these pieces of wood into it long as they are getting ready to pour. So they're poured right into it. And but so you gotta have a little forethought ahead of time, but that's what they're for. And I guess in this subdivision they can't leave open concrete exposed, and that's normally why people just don't. They want it to look pretty, and they don't want to see concrete ugly walls. Anyway, hey, thank you for watching our videos, folks. Thank you for subscribing to our station and hitting like. I really greatly appreciate all your help. And hey, hit us up, and we would sit in the comments below and ask us about the new book we got. I will send you I'll send you a brand new book of how to hire a contractor absolutely for free if you hit like and subscribe to our channel and to our construction consumer advocacy, which is part of the information right here on your site. Thanks, folks. Have a great day. Appreciate you.